Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you resolve the issue if you're getting the E2 error on your COMFEE portable mini dishwasher, countertop dishwasher. You can buy these on Amazon, and if you're interested actually in getting one, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description and in a pinned comment. But anyway, if you're getting error E2, that simply means that your dishwasher is not draining. And there's really two reasons why this might be not draining. One of them could be that your drain pipe is too high and it can't pump the water up that high, in which case you're going to need to lower where the water drains out of your drain pipe. And the second is that there's a clog somewhere, and you'll need to look in either the valve or the filter or the pipe somewhere to see if it is clogged. So if you do those two things, then you should be able to get rid of your error E2. If this helped you, please go ahead and leave a like on this video. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Or if you'd like me to make any other videos like this, you can leave that in the comments as well. Thanks for watching.